Most people hear $1,000 per day side hustle and immediately think it's impossible. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because while it's not easy, there are real business models that can reach that level once they scale properly. In this video, you'll learn the types of side hustles that can realistically grow to $1 per day, how they actually work, and what separates people who succeed from those who quit early. Let's get straight into it. First, understand something important. Nobody starts at $1,000 per day. People start at zero, then build systems that scale. So if you're expecting instant money, you'll get stuck early like most beginners. Now here's where it gets interesting. The first model is high-ticket lead generation. This is where you help local businesses like roofers, plumbers, or HVAC companies get customers. For example, someone like Jake builds simple landing pages and runs ads or SEO to bring in leads. When one job is worth hundreds or thousands, businesses will pay you per lead or per appointment. As you scale, income can grow fast. Second is freelance performance marketing. This means running ads for businesses and getting paid based on results or retainers. Think of Alex helping a cleaning company get more bookings through Google Ads. At scale, managing multiple clients is where the income jumps. But here's the problem most beginners face. They try to sell everything instead of mastering one skill. That slows growth dramatically. Third is digital product businesses. This includes courses, templates, or guides. You build something once, then sell it repeatedly. For example, a fitness coach might sell a simple workout program online. Once traffic comes in, sales can happen 24/7 without extra work per sale. Fourth is AI automation services for businesses. Companies now want systems that reply to customers, book appointments, and follow up automatically. If you can set up tools that automate these processes, you can charge setup fees plus monthly maintenance. Now here's the key insight. The people who reach $1 per day don't chase random ideas. They focus on systems that scale. Either you increase customer value, or you increase volume. Fifth is e-commerce with strong branding. Not random drop shipping, but focused product brands that solve real problems. It takes time, but once ads and branding click, revenue can scale quickly. Now here's the truth no one tells you. Every $1 per day business looks simple from the outside, but behind it is skill, repetition, and consistency. There is no shortcut, only leverage. If you take anything from this video, remember this. Start with one skill, go deep, and focus on solving real problems for real businesses. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment which idea you want to explore, and subscribe for more practical business breakdowns like this.